مرحبا، كيف حالكم؟ إن شاء الله كل شي تمام. اسمي ماريا. أنا دومينيكانية بس أنا ساكنة في لندن. I've been studying Arabic online with the Excellence Center since late May, and I've had 30 hours with Miss Haya. Miss Haya is an excellent teacher. When I had my first lesson with her, she asked me my background in Arabic, which I had zero knowledge of. I had basic knowledge, but in Arabici only. And I had been reluctant to learn how to read and write because I thought I had to concentrate more on speaking. But Miss Haya suggested that I try learning to read and write in Arabic because that would make my learning a more complete experience. And I am so thankful that I listened to her advice, because 30 hours later I can happily say that I know the alphabet in Arabic and that I can read. I'm not the fastest reader and I'm not the fastest writer, but I can do it. And it has been really, really a good experience. And I am so happy with all my progress.